This video will explain when a sign will be used as a trademark, with reference to Coca Cola Company and All-Fect Distributors Ltd. This case concerned Coke bottle lollies that used a similar shape that Coca Cola had protected by a shape trademark. The parties joined issue on two main questions. Firstly, whether the sale of the cola bottle confectionery constituted use as a trademark, and secondly, whether the cola bottle confectionery was substantially identical with or deceptively similar to the shape that Coca Cola had protected by trademark. For the purposes of this video, we will be focusing on the first question, that is, did All-Fect Distributors use the cola bottle confectionery as a trademark? Section 120 of the Trademarks Act deals with when a trademark is infringed. The primary focus on this case was on subsections 2 and 3, both requiring that to infringe, a person uses a trademark as a sign. The definition of trademark under Section 17 is a sign used or intended to be used to distinguish goods or services dealt with or provided in the course of trade by a person from goods or services so dealt with or provided by any other person. A sign includes, under Section 6, a shape, and accordingly, the shape of the confectionery in question is capable of being used as a trademark. But, did All-Fect Distributors use this sign to distinguish their confectionery? To establish whether a sign is used as a trademark, the primary judge stated that to use as a trademark is use of the mark as a badge of origin, in the sense that it indicates a connection in the course of trade between goods and the person who applies the mark to the goods. At first instance, the primary judge decided that the cola bottle confectionery did not indicate or imply origin of the goods and was therefore not used as a trademark. This was later overturned on appeal. However, in order to fully grasp the concept of use, we will discuss both judgments. The primary judge gave 4 reasons for his decision. Firstly, that the inscription of cola and the colour of the confectionery are descriptive of the flavour rather than origin. The shape of the confectionery, although recognisable as having basic markings of Coca-Cola's contour bottle, was far from an exact copy. The predominantly blue and green label on the tub of the product is what shows its origin. Finally, the confectionery is presented as a fun product, cheekily imitating the contour bottle, but not as representing any connection with it. On appeal, the lower court's judgment was overturned, and it was concluded that the confectionery company had in fact used the features on the confectionery as to indicate origin in the product and therefore used them as trademark. The word cola and the colour, although descriptive of flavour, does not mean that it cannot serve as a badge of origin. Secondly, the dissimilarity of the shape and markings of Coca-Cola's contour bottle does not justify the product itself not indicating or implying its origin. The issue is not whether the alleged infringer has used a sign as to indicate origin in the registered owner of the mark, but whether the alleged infringer has used it so to indicate origin in itself. With regards to the product's tub and label, evidence shows that only half of retailers actually sell the products from the tub, and accordingly, this reason was insufficient. Lastly, their honours did not see the fun characteristic as being relevant to trademark issues. In conclusion, it was decided on appeal that the silhouette, fluting and band are striking features of the confectionery and are apt to distinguish it from the goods of other traders. The primary function performed by these features and the key message to take away from this video is that All-Fect distributors use the confectionery to distinguish their goods from others. By distinguishing their goods, All-Fect indicated origin in their product and used the cola bottle confectionery as a trademark.